Hello there, people of the internet, and today we are going to review a funky extension for TurboWarp that I thought was quite interesting, and that will be, let me find it, that'll be Pen plus V7. So, what interested me here? It's this portion, custom shaders. So apparently, Scratch now, well, I say Scratch, TurboWarp specifically, now apparently has shaders. And not just any shaders, but if we say yes, and open a slightly shittier version of Scratch, we can see a GLSL thing here. So we could just code GLSL, or we could code Scratch. So I have more funky shit here. It's very interesting. It's very interesting indeed. We can make shaders now, and that is very, very, very curious. A bunch of stuff, a bunch of funny stuff, but I would like to first do like some... We need two triangles, right? We need to initialize two triangles. This thing, so let me just, because I kind of want to make this more expandable and shit, we can do this, like we need a forever loop, blah blah blah. So this, what this will do is it will just go to maximum allowed like point. We obviously can't like disable the shit, don't do that or that, otherwise it will probably mess something up. I'm not sure, actually it might not, but who gives a shit. So, and what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna grab X and Y. You probably don't see anything well, so let me zoom in a little bit. And so basically X position and Y position. So here, for this first triangle, I want for it to start here. Actually, where do I want? Yeah, let's start here. This is negative 240 and negative 180. As my thing here tells me. So we're just gonna do that. So we're gonna start here. Then we need to go above. We're gonna go clockwise as we're supposed to, I'm pretty sure. So this we're going to negative 240, 180. So it's going to be this. And then it's just going to be 240, 240. So it's going to be this and this. There we go. And this should draw a triangle. Obviously we're not gonna see anything because we don't have a shader. Now we need a second triangle. So it's going to start here. So again, negative this, then it's going to go full positive, and then we have to go positive on X and negative on Y. Whoops. So this should cover our entire screen, and look at how damn nice. So set triangle point, and we want this triangle, the top triangle. So the UV at the point U is fine. It's going to be 0. I need to set U at second point to 0 as well. And V is going to be 1 by default, if I recall. So, and 3 is supposed to be U is supposed to be 1. Because I'm pretty sure by default it's not quite that. And by default I think we need to just reset this and it should kind of work. I think that's it. I don't quite remember, but let's make a shader. Let's actually make some kind of simple-esque shader, good old like the good classic shader. So we need looks, set pixel color to blue. No, we don't want blue. Blue is boring. And oh, that's convenient. Range is inconvenient though, but let's fuck it. Let's just multiply with 255, and I can't just copy paste it, unfortunately. So I'm gonna grab U coordinate and V coordinate. Just gonna plop that into here. I'm gonna plop that into here, and there we go. This is like the hello world of shaders, basically. Let's import that, or rather export it to this, and it's like UV chords. Save. So it should be fine to just exit. And now I can, yeah, UV chords, and let's see. Okay, so clearly we messed something up. So this is correct. This is going from here to here. This is right. This is not right. I think we need to change. So the V value is not correct. V value is supposed to be 1 at the top. Yeah, there we go. I think the U value is correct. Maybe even that. Okay, never mind. Wow, that looks kind of cool too. Okay, there we go. That's correct. So here I have this. We like do things. I guess we could like rearrange things and like, so we could like do this, but it doesn't really matter at all. We're just doing the same shit, doesn't matter which way. So, and there we go. As you can see, this is like a good old UV map like thing, like hello world basically of the when you're playing around with shaders. And this is quite honestly damn cool. Let's try something more interesting. I have no idea what the hell that was. Okay, I hope I'm not recording that anymore. Okay, let's see how it looks. Oh yeah. Okay, it's a bit jittery, I can tell. Let's see how much GPU it consumes. It consumes 15% of my GPU. I'm using, by the way, for the GPU, I'm using RX 5700 XT, so yeah. So no KGPU, but yeah, okay, that runs pretty well. I don't know if I can set the resolution. I don't know. That's not quite how pixels. I don't know how to work with that too much, really. And even if this is like the most efficient way to do it, I don't know. Wow, that looks funky as hell. I can do this. Looks kind of neat. But okay, here we go. Fix that. Okay, that's pretty cool. I've got to say, so this is like running in Scratch, that's the thing. Well, I say in Scratch, but this is like through shaders and shit, and through a GPU finally. That's something I kind of really wanted in Scratch, and I finally have the ability to do so. Provide, that's the example project from the simple 3D. So we can see like, here's a simple cube mesh, here's some kind of plane mesh. Oh, there are actually multiple cubes and they're like slightly moving. This is running holy shit insane. Although granted, even in like if I were to do it even in like normal Scratch, it would run pretty damn fucking well. It's just I'm too stupid to make clipping, so yeah. I do have AI actually that I could ask. Yeah, I'm sorry, I failed you. I kind of started using AI to just debug shit. I don't vibe code, that's for sure, but I just kind of need to research poorly documented shit, because documentations suck, and AI is the only way to fucking actually write something sometimes. Because I clearly don't have the entire internet in my head at all times. Kinda need to have a bit of help there. It's a pretty useful tool to actually learn how to use graphics API. Also in advanced we have like high quality pen. I wonder how this will work actually. Will it do the high quality pen? Oh shit. Oh god. Oh no. Oh, there we go. Oh shit, the high quality pen does work with it. Fucking hell, that is crisp. And I don't know okay, there is a lot of aliasing. There's like staircases, but that is sharp. This is the sharpest Scratch I've ever seen, honestly. That's the sharpest 3D I've seen in Scratch. Holy fuck. Can cut myself with this. That's insane. That's actually really cool. Okay. Yeah, I really highly recommend you check this out. It's dope. It's really cool. There are shaders, there is full-on fucking networking. Like, just look at these. Pointer locks, just files. I haven't seen this. I haven't used this, sorry. Fetch. I think there's multiple similar things. It's like, yeah, URL playback. There was some other networking related thing. Yeah, AR apparently. So yeah, network, you can see. I don't know what that is, but it's a WebSocket also. It's like font managers, like JSON and XML. Then like numerical encodings, compressions. I feel like you can make an actual browser with this thing. Again, another WebSocket, another HTTP. Maybe I could make some kind of Python API, like open a Python WebSocket that would basically provide that I would be able to connect like this. So open a Python WebSocket like 8080 or some shit, or 6969 obviously. Like connect to a Python WebSocket that would just literally allow me to like send a message, and that would literally be like a message like fuck, I don't remember, like HTTP 1.2 or whatever the fuck it's like. I don't remember, like get blah blah blah, like get slash, and then like do one of these things twice, and then like header something like, I don't know, something like that. Like connect on close. I don't quite remember how the packets are formed, even though I made a web server, but the thing is, like, make something like that so I could make an actual browser or a web server. That could be cool, but anyway. This is a long video. I'm gonna stop it here. Thank you for watching. I see you next time. Certainly check out the project, and goodbye.